Most investors spend their time chasing the same popular stocks that dominate headlines and social media. By the time these stocks feel safe, a large part of their growth has already happened. Smart investing often works the opposite way. The real opportunities usually appear when strong companies are ignored, misunderstood, or temporarily overlooked. In this video, we're exploring 7 underrated stocks positioned for future growth across the United States, the United Kingdom, and Canada. Markets known for stability, innovation, and long-term wealth creation. When we say underrated, we don't mean risky or low-quality businesses. We mean companies with solid fundamentals, real revenue, and long-term growth drivers that the broader market hasn't fully priced in yet. These opportunities often emerge during periods of uncertainty when investor attention is focused elsewhere. Historically, patient investors who identify these moments early are often rewarded when sentiment shifts and value is finally recognized. Let's begin in the United States, where innovation continues to drive global markets. The first underrated stock represents a mid-sized technology company operating behind the scenes of the digital economy. This company doesn't rely on consumer hype or trendy products, yet it plays a critical role in supporting cloud infrastructure, enterprise systems, and advanced computing needs. As artificial intelligence, automation, and data demand continue to grow, businesses like this quietly become essential. Despite consistent revenue growth and improving margins, the stock remains overshadowed by mega-cap tech giants, creating an attractive long-term entry point for investors who look beyond headlines. Staying in the U.S., the next opportunity comes from the healthcare sector, an area that continues to benefit from long-term demographic trends. While short-term concerns, such as regulatory pressure or rising costs, have limited investor enthusiasm, demand for healthcare continues to rise year after year. As systems modernize and populations age, companies like this are positioned to grow steadily, offering investors both resilience and long-term upside. Now shifting our focus to the United Kingdom, where market sentiment has remained cautious in recent years. One underrated opportunity lies within the financial services space. This company supports modern banking, asset management, or financial infrastructure, helping institutions adapt to digital transformation and regulatory change. Despite strong cash flow and improving operational efficiency, the stock trades at a discount due to broader economic concerns. As financial stability improves and innovation accelerates, this type of business could benefit from renewed investor confidence and gradual re-rating. Another overlooked UK opportunity exists in the industrial and infrastructure sector. This company supports essential systems such as transportation, logistics, automation, or construction services. Moving north to Canada, we find an underrated energy-related company positioned at the crossroads of traditional resources and future sustainability. Canada remains a global leader in energy production, and this company focuses on efficiency, infrastructure, or cleaner transition strategies rather than pure speculation. Strong cash flow, disciplined capital management, and long-term demand make this stock appealing, especially as global energy needs continue to rise. History has shown that some of the strongest market performers were once ignored by the majority. While the crowd focuses on what's popular today, smart investors quietly position themselves for what could matter tomorrow.